Salam friends. Today we will learn image manipulation. How we can change image in a funny look. There is a human image in Photoshop. And there is a broken clay pot. First we will make selection of pot. Go to select then subject. Our subject is pot. We will invert selection. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus I. It will invert selection. Press Del to delete white background. Then press Ctrl plus D to deselect. White background is easy to remove. We are going to manipulate image. We don't need very precise selection. Jump to human image we want to manipulate. Press Ctrl plus J to create a duplicate layer. Select the layer below. We will create a solid gray color layer. 50% will make it absolute gray. Select above layer. We want to select subject, that is human image. Go to select then subject. Human image will be selected. We will do same as broken pot image. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus I to inverse selection. And press Del to delete white background. Press Ctrl plus D to deselect. Image is nicely extracted. It is easy to remove white background. Now, we will drag broken pot image and drop on human image. Press Ctrl plus T to transform it. Make pot smaller according to human image head. But we will adjust it later to be very precise. We need to zoom in for that purpose. Create a mask on broken pot image layer. Select unnecessary area of broken pot. Press Alt plus backspace to delete selected pot. Because we are working on mask, so simple del will not work. Press Ctrl plus D to deselect. Zoom in as much as we can, so we can see and work on it in better way. Select soft brush with 20 pixels size. We can find soft brush in first group of brushes. Make sure default black and white colors are set. We will start removing pot just like that. We will remove dark edges of pot as well. I will come back after a short while. So, here is broken pot image. We removed unnecessary area nicely. Press Ctrl plus T to transform. Right click and select warp. So we can adjust pot according to human head. It will match with the roundness of head. It's look good on left side. Even then we will adjust it to give accurate look. Press enter. Select human image layer and make a mask on it. Make brush size a little bit larger. And start painting human upper area of head. It will remove head by this way, so that round upper head is deleted. Do not leave any area of head out of broken pot. Zoom in more. We can see some area of head need to remove, so that it match with broken pot. Zoom out and see its look. Broken pot is more yellowish than human image. We will adjust colors of broken pot, so that it match with human image. Create hue and saturation layer. Click on this icon. Move sampler to human image. Click on midtones area to sample. We can see red is selected. Clip this layer so effects will apply below layer. Play with hue slider to change color, and with saturation slider to adjust color with human image. Adjustment looks like that. Adjust it according to your image. I am going to increase saturation. Color of pot is almost matched. Here is our human image manipulation. Create ideas for manipulate images. We can manipulate with images with different ideas. I have another image for background. There are pieces of broken pots. Drag and drop on main document. Press Ctrl+T to transform, and make image larger. We will adjust colors of this background image. Change blend mode from normal to multiply. Select solid color layer, and pick color from human image. Make it darker and click OK. Reduce opacity of background to 80%. Reducing opacity will make human image more visible. Select top layer. Press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+E. It adds flattened version of image to new layer, but leaves below all layers intact too. Press Alt and click on eye icon, which indicates layer visibility. It will make disable all below layers. Again press Alt and click on eye icon. It will make layers enable. No need to disable or enable layers one by one. So I am going to disable all layers below. Create selection of needed image. After selection, go to image, then crop. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Press Ctrl+0 to fit in screen. Let me zoom out a little bit. Create curves adjustment layer. Click on that icon. Choose brighten area of image. Click and drag down to make it darken. Image is with darken effect. So we manipulated the human image. Let me zoom in to show you. You need to create ideas in your mind. Photoshop will do it for you. I will talk to you in next tutorial. Till then, Allah Hafiz.